That is Wesley Whitfield on the vocal of Cheek to Cheek from her album The Best Thing for You Would Be Me, with her husband Mike Greensill piano. Before that it was Jane Jarvis piano with Benny Powell on trombone with I Wish I Knew from the album Atlantic Pacific. I'm Scott Hanley here with Sunday Jazz, finishing out the hour with Charlie Hayden bass, Pat Metheny guitar, and the album Beyond the Missouri Sky. From it, here's Our Spanish Love Song, Pat Metheny and Charlie Hayden.